That's perfect. All right, today we're gonna bring an alignment stick. This is for training purposes. All right, so if you're not really good at taking swings on your golf game, then this might help you out. It comes with a little bag, a couple of tee offs. All right, we're not gonna need them, we have our own. And then color coordinations of this. Actually has a cover because you're going to swing and you might be able to hit these things and break them. All right, and these are carbon fiber, but look at this, they lined up pretty good. They just twist together. The actual system that you require, this goes flat base. You could screw it in a permanent place if you want, fixture, but because I'm taking it outdoors, I'm not going to permanent but I like that it has a base. Now this thing lines up, and here's where you actually have to push the button down and it moves up. You see that, the different degrees that you want. So right now I'm gonna demo it and I'm gonna show you why I got it. All right, I got a Garmin, all right, R10. It needs to be lined up perfectly straight. I don't have the rods. This is perfect. So right now I'm gonna show you how you're supposed to train with this, and then at night when it's nice and cool, I'm gonna come out and play with the actual R10. All right, the Garmin R10, so you guys can see it. All right, here's my setup where I practice. All right, so what you got to do is cross the actual bar all the way across. So if you guys can see that, you can set up as long as you want, and I'm going to show you how to actually handle the profile. This is where you're going to have to lift. All right, you put it up and you scale it down if you want, or you can scale it back up. All right, now this thing has to be locked in place, and make sure you have the stabilizers. Now when you're ready to swing, this is where your point's going to be at. And if you want, you could add weights to it, but this is perfect. Not only for this, I'm going to show you what else I use it for. So when I'm setting up my Garmin R10, I use this for this. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, just to line up the Garmin. This is where I'm going to be hitting, and I'm going to show you where the elbow's supposed to be at, and this is the elbow point that you're supposed to be at. So let me show you. All right, practice the swing. So elbow, make sure it's the elbow. Don't, not baseball, swing away. All right, so I'm going to move this a little bit closer, and that's what this is for, so I can protect this in case you do hit it. Practice. Perfect. It's a good visual for the actual system to actually, so it will work. Set up our Garmin, all right, and I like to use this system. We're gonna line up our Garmin. If you have a Garmin R10 or something higher like I do, all right, we have it turned on. You guys can see it. We have it set up already on our Garmin. We know exactly where to set up. Right there, it lines up. Get this out of the way. And that's another way to set up your Garmin setup. So let's play. Let's do setup. Perfect. It's lined up. I just want you to see how this thing's working. Look at that. So with the Garmin, woo, made it to the hole, but it didn't register.